Hi friends, what is up? Today's video is a quick unboxing of some stuff that I got from Estee Lauder. I actually went on to their website, the Estee Lauder website, and picked up a few things because they were having some type of sale, and I don't remember what it was now, but we will find out together. So it came in this big box here. It's packaged pretty nicely. The receipt is on top there, and I'll just show you kind of what it looks like on the inside. So it's just that paper there on the inside. It's wrapped like that with a little Estee Lauder sticker there. There was actually a piece of paper tissue on top of under that sticker where it unwrapped, and this is just a little glimpse of the inside. So I think I got two free gifts, like trial sizes. I got the Revitalizing Supreme Plus Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. I don't have my glasses in here, and that took me a minute, but here it is. So I will definitely try that out. And then also the Perfectionist Pro Rapid Brightening Treatment. Something plus vitamin C. Again, I cannot see it, but there it is. Okay, I can't remember if this was the free gift or what. But anyway, this is the day wear. So the Protect and Hydrate. And it was regular $37.50. I'm positive that it wasn't that much. So you get the day wear. Again, I don't know if I'm going to be able to see this. If I can't, I will write it on the screen. Okay, the day wear multi-protection antioxidant. The day wear plus, I believe that one is for night. The advanced night repair. The night wear plus, maybe for the eyes. And then another day wear cooling moisture. So that'll be fun to try. And then I got this. I mean, these things are like Christmas gifts, so it was like the after Christmas sale, and they were trying to get rid of everything. So everything was really good prices. So it says on the back here $35. I didn't pay $35 for this. So we have the Beautiful Belle, Bronze Goddess, and the Pleasures perfumes. There they are. And I've tried the Pleasure, so I know what that smells like. I like that one. The Beautiful, I actually wore it on my wedding day when my husband and I got married in 2001, and I don't have it anymore, so I thought it would be fun to get that. The Bronze Goddess, I've smelled of maybe the lotion, but never the perfume. I think it's like a beachy, coconutty type of smell. And then I've never smelled of the Beautiful Belle. But I was like, you know what? I think I'm going to try those. I like to have a variety, like a perfume wardrobe. It's just fun to be able to change things up. You know what I mean? Okay, lastly is in this box. I do not know what's in this box. We're going to be finding out together because I don't remember getting anything that was boxed like this. That's pretty, right? Is there anything in here? Oh, yeah. I was like, what is in here? I think this may have been the free gift that I got. I'm not sure why this is wrapped. Yes, it is this. Okay, so it is this. This is what the whole reason why I went to the Estee Lauder website, because I saw this as a free gift and I was like, oh, I love that little pouch. How cute is that pouch? So I think they had, yeah, this is the Sultry Nude Lips, and then they had another one that was maybe a little bit darker, I think. So I decided to go with this one. I mean, come on, this pouch is so cute. And I've been wanting one that's kind of like this to put my pins in, either for work or just to keep them in my purse. So that is super, super cute. Just like they usually do, they put the free gifts kind of down there in a little bag. Let's look at the colors here. Languid Love. So it's definitely a very nudie tone. Not sure how that's going to work on my skin tone. However, I can put this with a lip liner or a gloss and change the look. No smell. And the mascara, I'm not going to open it because I'm not ready to use it yet, but this is the Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. It's going to be hard to see, but that's a full size of that. Of course, the lipstick is full size. It may not be in the packaging that a normal lipstick is in, I'm not sure, but it's definitely a full size. And the lip gloss was wrapped in the paper, and I believe that's a full-size lip gloss too. The Pure Color Envy 104 Naked Truth. Definitely just a great everyday lip gloss, and it would definitely look good over that lipstick, obviously, because they paired it together, right? That was packaged so nicely. Look, I mean, look at this box. Like, this can be reused. It doesn't have Estee Lauder anywhere on it, I don't think. Oh, it does on the top. It does on the top, but like that's a nice box, so I can store stuff in there. Okay, so let me tell you what I paid for all this stuff. So I got the perfumes here, the set of skincare, 2 travel sizes, one just fell on the floor, but the 2 travel sizes here, full-size lipstick, full-size lip gloss, full-size mascara in the little bag, and it came to $54. Like, that is an amazing deal, I think. Yeah, that's an amazing deal. And I know that I had a percentage cash back on Rakuten also, so I know I used that, so it was really even cheaper when it came down to it, and the shipping was free. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go for it, because Estee Lauder isn't really a brand that I buy too often anymore. I used to buy it a lot more, I think, when I went, like actually when I went shopping, you know, to the mall or whatever, but I just don't buy it anymore. So I'm definitely excited to try these and see how that skincare works out. If you're interested, let me know, and I will let you know, maybe do an update on it. What do you think about this wig, y'all? I'm not sure if the review will be out by the time this video is up, but can you see this color? Look at the color. How pretty is it? It's cute, right? That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day. Follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram handle here. I will follow you back. Thank you again for watching. Have a good day. Bye.